So we were trying to look for a name. We came up with a lot of crazy things, but I kept going back to healthy spaces or heavenly spaces. I really wanted heavenly spaces because when you look at this crawl space and it's beautiful white, it's gorgeous, and you just think heaven, right? I've got a slice of heaven underneath my home. And I had a great tagline, but my wife goes, maybe not that here in the Midwest. So I decided, but I really want to do this. And I even had a tagline. It was a great tagline. Could you imagine? Are you going through hell to your crawl space? Call heavenly spaces. Or does your crawl space look like hell? Call heavenly spaces. I even had like wings flying around and a halo, and all of a sudden the wings and the halo come together and you hear ting. Call heavenly spaces. But she didn't go for it.
That was good. That was good.